Programmable logic controllers, or PLCs, are the backbone of modern industrial automation. These powerful devices control everything from assembly lines to complex manufacturing processes, making them essential in today's fast-paced industrial world. PLC programming is a specialized skill that combines electrical engineering, computer science, and industrial process knowledge. At its core, PLC programming involves creating logical sequences of operations that control machines and processes in real time. This requires a deep understanding of both the hardware and software aspects of industrial control systems. The applications of PLC programming are vast and diverse. In manufacturing, PLCs control robotic arms, conveyor systems, and quality control processes. In the food and beverage industry, they manage mixing, packaging, and sterilization operations. PLCs are also crucial in water treatment plants, oil refineries, and power generation facilities, where they monitor and control critical processes 24/7. Learning PLC programming offers numerous benefits for aspiring automation professionals. First, it's a highly sought-after skill in the job market, with excellent career prospects and competitive salaries. Second, PLC programming provides a solid foundation for understanding broader concepts in industrial automation and control systems. Lastly, it offers the satisfaction of seeing your code directly impact real-world processes and improve industrial efficiency. For those interested in getting started with PLC programming, there are several resources available. Many PLC manufacturers offer free software simulators that allow you to practice programming without physical hardware. Online courses and tutorials provide a structured learning path. Learning can start without the expense of physical hardware. At ACC Automation, we believe that learning PLC programming can happen with little or no cost to you. This can help you gain practical experience and industry recognition. PLC programming is a dynamic and rewarding field that plays a crucial role in keeping our modern world running smoothly. As industries continue to automate and optimize their processes, the demand for skilled PLC programmers will only grow. Whether you're a student considering career options or a professional looking to expand your skill set, PLC programming offers a path to an exciting and impactful career in industrial automation.